Hi everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Abdi for asART 3D and motion graphics. In this tutorial, I would like to show you an easy way to create some sloped or pitched roofs for your buildings. For this, we just need the base of our building or just the base shape. And I'm going to create just shape like this. And after that, we can go to modifier stack and search for tySplineMesher, which is coming with tyFLOW once you install it. Now here the measure mode is set to tube. You can go to straighten skeleton and that will just create the roof for you. This is awesome and really easy way to create roofs like that. We have here some settings to tweak it even further. So we can go to limit inset, change the inset of the roof if you wish to. The variation will not do a lot here. It will work if you have more than just one spline. So here we have the height. You can change it to slope percentage if this is what you need to work with. And here the variation again, material ID and UVW scale, which I will show you in a second. We also have the gables, preserve gable, and in this case when I go and bring it up to 150, it will just straighten the sides for me, or these faces. Now that will work with all kind of shapes. It is not just a shape like this. You can go and change it even further. Let me go and add the edit spline modifier to this and select, let's say, that edge and divide it by 2. Now I can go and select this edge here or the one in the middle, whatever, and then shift drag it out. When I go back to the time measure, it already created that part of the roof as well. Now, another great thing about that is the UV mapping, which is already done for us. So when we go to texturing this and just add a texture to that, you will see that everything works really fine and nice. And in order to change the tiling for your textures, you don't have to go and to tweak the textures themselves. You can just go down here to UV scale and increase this until you have what you want. And this is really pretty awesome way to create pitched or sloped roofs like this. You also can take it further. You can go to another edit spline. Let's say we're gonna go and fillet this corner just like that. And now we have a nice rounded roof like this. Now these edgy faces, we can smooth them out by adding the tie smooth modifier to this and then activate auto smooth, and that will take care of this for you. This is actually pretty awesome and easy way to create some roofs like this. We can go and add further stuff to it if we have to. If we have something like this, you can just bring it in, select that, go to edit spline, attach this guy to it, and now we can go and boolean that. It will combine them and create our roof for this part as well. So this is actually it for this tutorial, and I just wanted to show you a real quick way to create that kind of roofs if you need to, and if you're doing lots of architectural stuff where you need that pitched or sloped roof style to create. This is really a nice and easy method to go for. So I hope that this tutorial is useful and helpful to you guys. I'm going to see you in the next one. Wishing you a great and successful time. Bye bye.